So
think
we
it's a bird.
so we have the start of a game right now. Should we
Have, if you want to consider that yeah,
the start? A very brief start.
the ground.
So I guess in a tradition should be like, hey people, sorry we haven't uploaded update in a while type of thing.
Oh, hey, it exists again.
No, but honestly, we've both been very busy. I was in the process of moving. The Mia had school assignment to do.
Yep, 3 groups that don't exist.
And then, as everyone probably knows, this whole pandemic's going on. But the good part of it, I've recently been laid off, so I'll have a lot more time to work on the asset part of the app. I don't know about the Mia because he's still doing online classes.
Yep, should be over soon, actually.
Now, I personally have been working remaking the slime texture. If you want to see,
Show that. The enemy disappeared again. You know what? I'm gonna place like 10 of them. See what actually happens.
you're still screen sharing.
I know. I can do this at the same time.
Okay, I'm just gonna open my app to show you the remodel of the slime I've done.
Ooh.
Honestly, I'm getting very, very excited about working on this and whatnot.
Oh, hey, look, we have all of them. That does not look creepy.
They look like bees.
They look like, yes, this is how Minecraft bees work. I just took the Unity asset.
Okay, so the base model would be this. It's just a slime, a green slime. What do you think?
Oh, yes. Oh, that looks better. Yes, indeed.
Then has like little walking.
Wow.
Doesn't it look cool?
It's come a long way, that's for sure.
And then I have the idol, which is, let me open the right sticky note. Oh wait, no, it's in Discord as well.
Not that I got any notifications for this.
1 to 47. 1 to 47. This is kind of just like the idol.
This is gonna be great. If I can get my enemies to not float in the sky, then it'll be perfect.
So yeah, our slime model actually had a lot of improvement. I have the bear slime that I'm gonna redo because it doesn't look good.
It looks like an old man got with a slime.
We have the cat slime, which I just absolutely adore.
Looks a little bit like Jigglypuff.
No.
The front part, that's all. Or Clefairy, sorry. Wow.
Okay, Clefairy maybe, not Jigglypuff.
Yeah, sorry, wrong name, okay.
Here used to be the old angel slime. That's kind of like the models we had before.
Yep.
And this is the new one.
Ooh.
Fancy, right?
Yeah.
Honestly, after trying a lot with different models and whatnot, I really like this version of the slime. My
real down to earth, you know what I mean?
my first reference point were the slime from Ragnarok Online, but they kind of just bounced and I didn't like it, and I tried to make them squish and whatnot. It didn't work. This works though. I've also actually made... I didn't work on the player, but we have a few weapons. So we have 4 type of daggers here.
Reminds me of the kitchen wreck in Animal Crossing.
So we have 4 daggers here. We have 4 swords here.
Nice.
Obviously, there's gonna be a lot more different type of weapon, a lot more fantasy looking type of weapon. But
right now it's just swords for slicing the slimes.
For right now, it's just the basic, you know? Yeah, that's all I have as per se on my side. This is just so nice to look at.
Yeah.
Well, the idle looks better. 147. I don't know, I just like it.
It looks alive.
I know! Anyway, so that's what I've done. I was able to do on my part.
Yep.
I've kind of been a little bit lazy because our coder was kind of occupied.
I was busy dying with classmates.
I honestly don't blame him because school. What the fuck? What are you doing?
I'm drawing on your screen.
But I stopped my screen sharing.
Don't worry, I do weird things.
Now, as I mentioned, the Mia hasn't been able to do a lot of things because school projects are obviously a lot more important than our personal project.
Yep.
So we just have flying cubes.
Flying cubes, yes. I literally just have the one, and I'm like, can I just let it? Cube 1. Cube 1 is literally a reference to see if I can move in the first place. That's all. Let me know if I'm moving, you know?
Fair enough, yeah.
Cube 2 just disappears off in the...
But it's just weird how it appears so far away.
It's over here somewhere. I don't know why it's so far away. Oh yes, seen. It's over here.
It's kind of
Wherever
just
over here is.
doing its own thing underneath the floor, so
Yep.
joy.
Is
But
it never gonna go back to the surface? Who knows? Cube 1 has no idea it exists.
once the Mia has done his school project, he'll be able to do a lot more of the coding.
Oh yeah.
And once we have a lot more of the coding, we're going to be able to add, so, like, change the cube to actual models and whatnot.
Yep.
So thank you all for those that are currently watching this update. Please
All
stay tuned.
All -5 of you. Let's go.
Please stay tuned for other updates, and hopefully very soon we're going to have something that looks more like a game.
Yeah.
Toodles.
Toodles.